So this is Giancarlo's work. Of course, I taught him. Because if you see on the other video, I made a lot more. And I told him how to make it, and now he's making a huge one. Inspired by Rob H0629. Just inspired by that. So I'd like to thank Rob. I really like to thank Rob. And I'm hopefully gonna post this on YouTube to thank Rob. So he taught us how to make the exploding stick bomb. And of course you can make these just by clicking on the Rob H0629. I think I told his name right. And so you can have these jumbo craft sticks. I got these at Walmart, of course. Basically, I got the 300 pack. The 300 right here. And of course, it doesn't come with these accessories like eyes or nose or hey guys. But I did get the 300 pack.
Isn't there something you can be doing besides?
Of course.
And
okay. Now this is basically how that we use. And you can also use these as art and crafts. But I got these at Walmart for my stick bomb. So I'd like to thank Rob again for teaching us and how to make the video. And the guy that inspired Rob to make it, Dane, I think. I think Dane inspired him because in the video he said Dane. So thank you, Dane, for inspiring him. So basically, you start doing zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And he made it a lot faster. Right here. Basically, it's super long. This is it.
Sir, here, deal with me. After watching you answering this guy go at it for 10 minutes, I had to step in.
Now check out our other video. And hopefully you enjoy. And we're gonna keep creating this. So yeah, thank you for watching. And hope you enjoyed.